Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
In even my own locality where we used to stay, we had so many cases of tuberculosis. And it's not just only Shirada. All over Goa, we had so many cases of tuberculosis. They will go on cropping up, and it is the skill and the talent and technical know-how that we have. India has always superseded. Tuberculosis we have almost eradicated. But still, what I feel is a little more is to be done. Unless and until our hospital at Tamdiman gets closed. It should get closed. Our hospital at Moti, isn't it? Moti also we can that should get closed. People should not come over there. That need should not arise. Till then, the homeopaths, the allopathics and Ayurveda people will have to work and will have to struggle. That should be the end of it. Other day I was talking to our interns, about 30-40 of them, that we should cover these 8,000 houses till December, identifying in those 8,000 houses how many are healthy families, no sickness, no illness. We make an inventory of these people and then again segregate what sort of sickness. Now if we do it in one place, it could be a role model for other villages. We do not be a role model as far as development is concerned only in making roads. As far as role model, as far as providing your street lights and your power supply and water supply. There are two things what we have to always concentrate is one is education, other one is health. In fact, I am aspiring for, and I will put all my efforts that we should have a separate directorate, particularly for homeopathy and for